China unveils world's largest quadruped military robot. China has unveiled the world's largest and most powerful quadrupedal military robot according to the country. It was built to transport huge goods, conduct reconnaissance, and engage in frontline combat. It's known as Tianying, and it's nearly as big as a tank. The Tianying weighs in at 26 tons and at 11.5 meters long, 4.6 meters wide, and 3 meters tall. It's constructed of military-grade aluminum alloy and is powered by a diesel engine. The robot's forelegs can carry up to 8 tons, and the robot can move at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about China unveils world's largest quadruped military robot. So, if you want to know all about it, then keep watching this video. What is a quadruped robot? A quadruped robot is a type of a robot that has 4 legs. This type of robot is commonly used for military purposes as they are able to navigate difficult terrain and carry heavy loads. Quadruped robots are also being explored for use in search and rescue operations, as they can navigate through rubble and debris much more easily than traditional robots. Boston Dynamics is a leader in quadruped robots research and development and has created a variety of amazing quadruped robots, including the Spot Mini robot. Google's Boston Dynamics Toyota's partner robot division and Agility Robots are among the businesses working on quadruped robotics. While quadruped robotics research is still in its early stages, there is a lot of potential for these types of robots to be used in a variety of fields including search and rescue, agriculture, and military applications. Let's communicate about something. The advantage this robot has over others. The quadruped robot has a number of benefits. For one thing, they can navigate rough and uneven terrain, something that other robots cannot. They can also carry huge loads, making them ideal for search and rescue missions or transporting supplies in hazardous situations. Furthermore, quadruped robots can move far faster than bipedal robots, making them better suited for some jobs. Let's have a debate about it as well. How does it help in the military? Quadruped robot helps in the military in many ways. Number 1, it is very stable and can maintain balance on difficult terrains. This is important because the military often operates in difficult and rugged environments. Number 2, the quadruped robot is quiet, which means it can move around undetected and gather information without alarming the enemy. Number 3, it is very versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks such as carrying equipment, clearing landmines, or providing reconnaissance. Number 4, a quadruped robot is low cost and easy to operate, making it a valuable asset on the battlefield. Number 5, a quadruped robot can carry big cargo and cross rugged terrain, making it a perfect tool for search and rescue tasks. Number 6, quadruped robots are being developed for use as service and delivery robots in homes and businesses. Number 7, quadruped robots have the potential to be used as mobile platforms for a variety of applications including inspection, mapping, and search and rescue. How are quadruped military robots used today? Quadruped military robots are used today in a variety of ways. Some of the most common uses include reconnaissance, surveillance, and bomb disposal. Reconnaissance robots are used to gather information about the enemy's position and movements. They are often sent ahead of the main force to gather intelligence and provide early warning of impending danger. Surveillance robots are used to keep track of the enemy's activities and movements. They can be used to monitor specific areas or to keep an eye on the enemy's movements during a battle. Bomb disposal robots are used to disarm or detonate explosives. They're typically used in situations where it is too dangerous for a human to be. Let's have a chat about it. Is this a positive step for China? On July 20th, 2017, the Chinese military revealed a quadruped robot that they have been developing. The robot has been named the Cheetah and has a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour. While this may not seem that impressive, it is much faster than the average human running speed. The Cheetah has already been deployed in some military exercises and has been able to successfully complete all of its missions. This new robot raises some interesting questions about the future of warfare. Will all militaries eventually have robots that can outrun and outmaneuver humans? If so, will humans eventually be replaced as the primary combatants in military engagements? It's clear that robotics is playing an increasingly important role in warfare. As technology advances, it's likely that militaries will continue to rely more on robots to carry out combat operations. This could eventually lead to a future where robots are the primary combatants in military engagements and humans play a supporting role. The United States Army is currently researching how to use robots in combat, and it's possible that they could eventually play a primary role in military engagements. In addition, the United Kingdom and other countries are also exploring the use of robots in combat. Let's think about it as well. Will we see more of these robots? Yes, quadruped military robots of the future. They've already been used in the military for a while now. They're great for carrying heavy equipment and are also very durable. They can also navigate difficult terrain very easily. These robots are becoming more and more popular, and I believe that we will see more of them in the future. They are very efficient and can save lives on the battlefield. Come on, allows speak. What other military robots is China developing? China is known for its cutting-edge military technology, and its quadruped robot is just the beginning. They're also developing other military robots, including a tank robot, a submarine robot, and a reconnaissance robot. Each of these robots has its own specific purposes within the military. The tank robot is designed for combat, the submarine robot can be used for reconnaissance or sabotage missions, and the reconnaissance robot is perfect for gathering intelligence. China's development of military robots is a cause for concern for other countries. It is clear that they are taking their military technology very seriously and are determined to stay ahead of the curve. Let's have a conversation about it. The future of quadruped military robot. The quadruped military robot is the battlefield's future. The robot's 4 legs allow it to navigate rough terrain that real robots cannot. It's also more solid, making it less vulnerable to being blown over by explosions or other obstructions. The quadruped military robot has a number of advantages over traditional wheeled robots. First, it is more agile and can move more quickly across difficult terrain. Second, it is more stable, which means it is less likely to be knocked out over by explosions or other obstacles. Third, it is quieter than wheeled robots, making it less likely to be detected by enemies. Come on, let's communicate approximately it now. What is China hoping to achieve through the unveiling of this robot? China has been making waves in the robotics industry with the unveiling of a number of advanced robots in recent years. This has led to speculation about China's intentions for its robotics industry, with some believing that China is hoping to achieve global dominance in the industry. Others argue that China's focus on robotics is more about solving domestic problems such as the aging population and low labor force participation rate. Whatever the case may be, it is clear that China is making a big push into robotics and that its robotics industry is growing rapidly. Let us examine something. Does China have a chance of beating out the US in this technology? In the technological competition, China is rapidly catching up to the United States. They've been putting billions of dollars into their technological sector in order to catch up to the United States. They have made considerable progress, but there is still a long way to go. One of China's biggest challenges is its lack of innovation. Most of their technology is based on copying what the US has already created. In order to truly compete with the US, they will need to come up with their own groundbreaking ideas. Let's talk about it, something interesting. While the US continues to lead in military technology, China is swiftly catching up. When it comes to military technology, the United States remains ahead of China, but the gap is closing. In recent years, China's military has been swiftly modernizing, and it currently has some cutting-edge capabilities, including powerful fighter jets and missiles. As China's economy grows, so will its military power, making the security environment for the US and its allies more difficult. And with that, our video has come to a close. In the comment section below, let us know what you think about the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We'll be back with more, but until next time, take care all. Thanks for taking the time to watch.